Hi folks, we're back with our renovation project. So this is going to be our floor plan. We're just going to generally give our dimensions and things like that. This is the floor plan. So now we need to generate a furniture plan. So I've already done that, and I started placing some pieces. Excuse me, just for the heck of it. So I'm going to go in our project browser and select my floor plan that I made. And here I got a few items here. Gondola, there's going to be a cooler here and one here. Bathroom and bath here. And I don't know, this may be storage or something. But let's just take a look and see what we got here. So here there's an ATM machine, and then we got a gondola here. So what I might do, I might play around with this because it's going to take a minute. Nope, cancel that. And we'll start looking at finishes, but we need to get these items in. So this is a gondola here. I'm gonna just delete this one here, and I'm gonna, I don't know. This is one of those. Let's have a look at this. This is one of those. Let's see, square things. So they put items on there to sell, but I don't think this type of store is liquor, so they probably wouldn't want that there. Maybe just shelving. So I'm gonna go here, and let's just move this guy out of here for a minute. And you got the entry, you got a cooler here on this wall. This is basically this. So that's where you just go edit the family and look at it. So that's this family here, and let's see this guy. Let's look at this realistically. Okay, so something like that. So that's, that's the cooler. What? We're not going to worry about that right now. We're going to focus in on the space planning here. Just the entry. May want to push this ATM machine over here with the door. And then this is the counter. Little cash register on top here. Okay, so now let's just copy these right here. I'm gonna go Control, and I'm gonna select. And we don't probably need a lot, but we need that space, and let's just copy this guy over here. Just two more maybe. And then this will be moved back here. And I think it was closer to the door, the window. This is just for space planning purposes. Got a lot more to do here. Let me just align this over here like this. Okay, these are roughly this. Cancel that out. That's what these are roughly are. I'm gonna grab one and just say edit the family, and these are just wall shelf unit that'll go on the wall where they'll put the alcohol and whatever they're selling on the wall. Very similar to what his other layout was, so I'm going to knock that down. We'll do that. Okay. So there's our shelving units on the wall. Let me copy more here. Let's see, copy this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to move this thing along because I want to get some finishes in here. But this is the idea of the, just move this guy here to, okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish this later, and I'm going to look at this floor. So now, you see, I mean, we have two of these back here. And I don't know what he want to sell here, but you can't see because this stairwell, but you got a cooler here and one here. Maybe, yeah, something like this to spin around this back here. I don't know. Maybe two of these in the back here. This will be storage area, and we'll just keep this open, play around with it. Could be another little store if you want it. Okay, now, actually I could put one here. Missed this one right there. And then this counter, we're gonna have to stretch it out here. It's gonna be quite long, the whole length here. I'm gonna say, we can do that with this. Maybe I'll go to here. But everything was hitting this window, so let's push it up this way. So he's got his window here. I had some photographs, but well, we'll see some before and afters for sure. So this cash register was right here, and he had all this. He wants all this to be countertop, but I'm gonna cut it out right there. And then I'm gonna take these shelves off wall, these wall shelves off, and I might do something a little different here. So let's go look at this in our 3D view. Just for general layout, this is not going to work here. It's going to have to put over there the ATM machine by the door some kind of way. Yeah, maybe bring that over there. I mean, it's just so many options and opportunities here. So I'm going to play around with this, and in the meantime move on. So let's do this right quick. Let's go see what our 3D view looks like here. Okay, coming along pretty good. Let's look at this shaded view. Okay, so now we want to focus on this floor. Okay, so we're going to create the floor, and then we need to do something with these walls because this whole building is going to be refurbished. So I'm going to grab this floor, and we just got a generic floor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit this type, and I'll duplicate it. And I'm gonna call it, this is gonna be flooring. So this will be the first finish. We'll do the floor here. I'm gonna say okay. And I'm gonna edit this guy. So I wanna go, this is the floor structure here. So I'm gonna add just one layer, actually, just for the tile. It's gonna be tile on wood or whatever they wanna do here. So I'm gonna go insert. And I want to move this up. And then I want to hit this guy, and I'm going to give it make this a 1/2 inch, basically 1/2 inch. Okay, and this is going to be now, well, we can leave it as a foot. Well, let's make it 11 inches. So it's 11 inches, 11 and a half actually. We want to keep the same thickness because it's a 1 foot joist there. So we want to enter here. And then I want to just go and click this guy right here in this little builder. And I want to go to find a material here. Wow. Just load it up here. Okay, I'm gonna find some tile. And it's gonna be, okay, that's ceiling tile, floor tile, vinyl porcelain 4-inch. Okay, let's go with this. But we don't wanna, okay, I'm gonna show you how to do this quickly because I should have these done already. So what we do here, let's go and add another material, create and duplicate material here. Okay, now I'm gonna look at my graphics here. I tell you what, do I have any tile in here? Let's see if I can find something already out there. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just grab, let's see if I can, right here, create a new material. Okay. So anyway, what I'll do here, I'm gonna leave this here for now. This video is getting long, but we have our layout, and I want to work on it, fix it up a little bit more, and then do the floors and do the walls, because these are brick veneer walls. So I gotta go make some material. We made material before, so it should be easy. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and see you in the next video. Everybody be safe. Happy holidays. Bye.